Hi guys! Quick tour. Look what's in front of us. Charan! That's Taal. We're here in Balay Isabel. Reset guys, reset. It's time for me to reset. Look. Ayan lang siya. Hi Taal! So relaxing. Tapos yung hampas ng alon. Say hi!